strategy number one is called the next visit automation. It's not like a loyalty card, right? Because most restaurant owners, they rely on like those card punching or the generic loyalty apps. Smart restaurant, they automate the next visit. So what do I with high level, you can tag the guest by the type of visit, follow-ups based on dining behavior, reminders sent at the right time. So I'll give you an example. Brunch guests invited back for dinner, right? First timers offer a second visit incentive. Get $15 off your next appetizer when you come back. Regulars get a VIP invitation. Hey, you one of our regular, you're a VIP, right? So you're not hoping they return, you invite them back automatically. So that helps increase revenue. All right. Strategy number two, private events and catering pipelines. Most restaurants treat events casually. It's a big revenue lever for them. High performing restaurants track private dining leads, follow up automatically, nurture event inquiries. I know because I do a lot of private dining with our clients. High level creates an event pipeline, send menus automatically, follow ups on unbooked inquiries, confirm deposit. Private events become predictable revenue, not luck. All right, big one. Predictable revenue, not luck. And guess what? You don't need to learn how to do any of this. We have a team of virtual assistants that are very, very good with high level.